Hi guys, today we're going to see how you can upload your website to the internet. So let's say you have built your website on your computer and you have these files. Now if you open this file, you can see that we have our website. So now here you can see that right now this website is stored locally on our computer. Now if you want to get this website live on the internet, you can do that by watching this video. So now all you need to have to follow this tutorial is your website files. So once you have your files ready, we can now get started. So we are going to get this website online in just 4 steps. The first step is to choose your website name. Okay, so to choose your website name, just click the link below this video and it'll take you to this page. Now choose any name you want and then enter it here. So I'm going to enter my website name as shoespaw.com and then click check availability. So as you can see, this name is available. So once you get the name, you can go to the next step, which is to get your hosting and domain. So hosting is the place where your website's files will be stored and domain is your website's name. So to get this domain name and hosting, just scroll down this page and click get hosting. Now this will take you to godaddy.com where we are going to get the hosting and domain. So to get it, let's click get started. Now enter the same name which you selected before and click search. Then click select and continue. And now it will take you to this cart page. Now to get the domain and hosting, we need to create a new account. So let's click here and then fill up these details and click create account. Now here you can see that we are getting our domain, which is shoespaw.com, and our hosting. Now both of these are going to be valid for 1 year. So this means once we place this order, your website will be live on the internet for the next 1 year. Now let's go ahead and make the payment. Just choose your payment method, enter your details, and then click save, and then complete the purchase. Okay, so now we have successfully made our payment and we have got our domain and hosting. So once you have got your hosting and domain, you can go to the next step, which is to set up your hosting account. So once you set up your hosting account, you'll be able to upload your website files. So to set up your hosting account, just click here and click setup. Now click next and then again next. Now skip this step by clicking not now and then click finish. So now we have set up our hosting account. So let's click go to dashboard. So once you set up your hosting account, you'll reach this page called the cPanel. So this is the place where you can control your hosting account. So once you reach this page, you can now go to step 4, which is to upload your website files to this hosting account. So once you upload the website files, your website will be live on the internet. So to upload your files, just click open next to file manager and then click the public HTML folder. Now this is the place where we are going to upload our website files. Now we have a few sample files here. Now before we upload our files, let's delete these sample files. So to delete it, let's first click select all and then click delete. Now click confirm and all the files will be deleted. So once you have deleted these files, you can now upload your website files. So to upload our files, let's open the folder which has our HTML files. So these are the website files which I'm going to upload. Now before uploading your website files, make sure your home page is named as index.html. So once you have these files ready, instead of uploading them one by one, we are going to compress them into one file. So to compress it, let's select all the files and then right click and go to send to and click compressed file. And now you'll get this zip file, which will have all your website files. Now to upload this zip file, let's go back to our hosting page and then click upload here. Now just drag the zip file from your computer and then drop it here. And the file will be uploaded to your hosting account. And once this is done, if you click go back, you can see that we now have our zip file. Now to complete the upload, we need to extract all of our website files from this zip file. So to extract the files, just select the zip file and then click extract. Now click extract files. And now if you click close, you can see that all of our website files are now extracted. Now as soon as you extract the zip file, your website should now be live on the internet. So to check that, let's open a new tab. So now if we enter shoespaw.com and press enter, you can see that our website is live. So this is how you can easily upload your website to the internet. Now if you're ready to upload your website, just click here and it'll take you to the page which we saw in the first step, which is choosing your website name. So just choose your website name and then upload your website. Now if you want to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to get more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.